So this is room 303 at the Hilton Garden Inn in Asheville, downtown. It's a king-size room. So first when you come in, there's a full-length mirror, and there's a closet area with wire basket drawers, and then ironing board. So the bathroom's on this side. Then it is a pet-friendly hotel, as you can see by Frankie's in the room. You come in, there's a suitcase holder, a very large desk / TV area, a little bar, microwave, coffee machine, and a refrigerator, which I can never open. So then we've got a chair here, and the king-size bed, but no extra sheet. And it's pretty dark in here without the lights on, but there are outlets next to the bed on this side and on the other side. This one has USB as well. Then we've got another little sitting chair here in the corner. Looking outside the window is just kind of the corner of the street here in Asheville. And then we'll go into the bathroom next. The bathroom is a pretty typical HDI bathroom. We've got the Neutrogena products. There's a hairdryer in the bag there, and toilet, and then a stand-up shower and shower head. And this is the pool at the Hilton Garden Inn Asheville. It's outdoors, and today it's really rainy, but you can see it's like 3 feet to 4 feet to 5 feet in the deep end. And then a little place to hang out by the pool.